Okay, so question 1 says this is an equilateral triangle. All right, well, it tells me that anyway because these have got to be the same. The perimeter is 30 centimeters. So the perimeter of the whole thing is 30 centimeters. The perimeter increases by 20%. So what is the length of each side now? All right, so we'll go with 30. So 30, let's find 20% of 30. So it's currently 30 centimeters. Let's think about it. I don't have a calculator with me right now, otherwise I'd use it. But anyway, so 10 centimeters. 10% would be 3. So 20% would be double that, which gives us 6. Okay, so the new side, that if it increases, use that word there, increase, the new perimeter is going to be 36 centimeters. So the perimeter of the whole thing is 36 centimeters. So the question says, what's the length of each side now? So I'll divide that by 3. And 36 divided by 3 gives me my answer, which is 12. So it's 12 centimeters.